The year is 2025. Bitcoin is on a trajectory towards $150,000 per coin. This isn't mere fantasy, it's a serious projection. Many factors fuel this exciting conversation. The world watches, wondering if this digital marvel will redefine wealth. Bitcoin has always been a creature of cycles, dramatic climbs, and sharp corrections, yet the underlying trend has been one of remarkable growth. The question on everyone's mind, will this ambitious target be met? Understanding this potential requires looking beyond the price. We must delve into Bitcoin's core principles and unique mechanics. The famous halving events play a crucial role, as does growing adoption by influential investors. Institutions are stepping into this space. The journey to $150,000, if it occurs, will be paved with volatility. For new observers and seasoned investors alike, understanding Bitcoin is key. It's more than just an asset. It represents a fundamental shift in how we perceive value. Let us explore the foundations of this digital phenomenon. Let's see what makes many believe this current year, 2025, is so pivotal for Bitcoin. What exactly is Bitcoin, often called digital gold or peer-to-peer electronic cash? At its heart, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. No single entity controls it, no central bank issues it. It operates on a distributed ledger known as the blockchain. Thousands of computers worldwide maintain this blockchain, creating transparency and resilience. Bitcoin offers an alternative to traditional financial systems burdened by intermediaries. With Bitcoin, you can send and receive value directly across borders. This autonomy challenges old ways of thinking about money and control. Some see Bitcoin as a store of value, much like digital gold. Its supply is finite, capped at 21 million coins, protecting it from inflation. Others focus on its potential as a medium of exchange. The Lightning Network aims for faster, cheaper payments. This dual nature adds to its intrigue and captivates many. It's not just about the price, it's about the principles it embodies. Principles of open access, financial sovereignty, and censorship resistance. Bitcoin represents a technological innovation with profound social implications. For many, it is a tool for empowerment, a way to participate in a global financial system on their own terms. One of Bitcoin's most fascinating features is the halving. This event is coded into Bitcoin's protocol, occurring approximately every 4 years. When a halving happens, the reward for mining new Bitcoin is cut in half. This mechanism directly impacts the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. Historically, halving events have been significant catalysts for Bitcoin's price. The first halving occurred in November 2012, followed by a dramatic price surge. The second halving in July 2016 also preceded a substantial bull market. The third halving in May 2020 led to a major price increase. We just experienced the fourth halving in 2024. The economic principle at play is simple supply and demand. The halving directly constricts the new supply of Bitcoin. If demand remains constant or increases, prices tend to rise. This built-in scarcity is a core element of Bitcoin's design. It contrasts sharply with traditional fiat currencies, where central banks can print more money. Bitcoin's predictable and decreasing issuance schedule offers a different paradigm. As we navigate 2025, we are in the post-halving period of the 2024 event. The reduction in new supply from the latest halving is a key factor. Many analysts cite this as a primary driver for bullish predictions this year. Titans of crypto: what influential voices foresee for Bitcoin. Prominent financial minds are deeply engaged in Bitcoin's future. Cathie Wood, founder of ARK Invest, sees Bitcoin as revolutionary, akin to the internet. She believes it represents a new asset class with potential for significant appreciation. Michael Saylor, co-founder of MicroStrategy, views Bitcoin as a superior store of value. He considers it a treasury reserve asset, essential against monetary inflation. These influential investors are not chasing short-term gains. Their theses are built on a long-term vision. They look at Bitcoin's fundamental properties: security, decentralization, and fixed supply. Their public endorsements and substantial investments lend credibility. They attract further interest from hedge funds, pension funds, and corporations. The actions and words of figures like Wood and Saylor shape market sentiment. Their bullish outlooks encourage others and inspire confidence in Bitcoin's potential. These expert insights provide a glimpse into how sophisticated capital perceives Bitcoin. The global Bitcoin embrace nations and corporations tune in. Bitcoin's journey towards mainstream acceptance is accelerating. El Salvador made history in 2021 by adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Other nations are exploring similar paths or creating regulatory frameworks. Beyond national adoption, corporations are integrating Bitcoin. Companies like MicroStrategy and Tesla have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Some businesses accept Bitcoin as payment, enhancing its utility. The launch of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds or ETFs in major markets has been transformative. These financial products allow traditional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. The influx of institutional capital through ETFs has been substantial. This growing adoption by diverse entities creates a positive feedback loop. As more countries explore Bitcoin, it gains international recognition. As more companies use it, its practical value increases. All these factors contribute to a more robust and resilient Bitcoin ecosystem. Charting your course. Navigating risks with prudent Bitcoin investing. While the potential for Bitcoin is exciting, approach investing with caution. The crypto market is known for its volatility. Prices can experience rapid swings, both up and down. Regulatory landscapes are still evolving in many parts of the world. Understanding these risks is the first step towards responsible investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The mantra, do your own research, or DYOR, is paramount in the crypto space. Do not rely solely on social media hype or tips from friends. Take the time to understand what Bitcoin is and how it works. Study its history and the technology behind it. For new investors, starting small is often a wise strategy. You do not need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can purchase small fractions. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is a popular approach. This strategy can help mitigate the impact of volatility. Finally, consider the security of your Bitcoin holdings. If you buy Bitcoin on an exchange, you are trusting the exchange to hold your assets. For larger amounts, learning about self-custody is vital. Securing your investment properly is just as important as making the investment itself. Beyond the price tag. Your journey into Bitcoin's transformative future. The prospect of Bitcoin reaching $150,000 in 2025 is captivating. But focusing solely on the price tag can obscure Bitcoin's deeper significance. The true revolution lies in its underlying technology and principles of decentralization. These elements give Bitcoin its enduring value, transcending market fluctuations. Understanding this technology is the first step. Learning about blockchain mining and cryptography can be empowering. Whether Bitcoin hits a specific price point this year or next is one part of a larger story. The more important aspect is its continued development and growing adoption. So the call to action is not simply to invest, it is to learn, engage with the technology responsibly, and understand the risks. Bitcoin offers a unique opportunity to participate in a financial system that is open and borderless. Bitcoin's journey is still relatively young. We are witnessing its evolution in real time. By educating yourself, you become an informed participant. Whether the $150,000 prediction materializes or not, Bitcoin's impact is undeniable. Its story continues to unfold, and you have the opportunity to be a knowledgeable part of.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to FinanceVerse Pro, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.